Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corine.
And what are we doing today? Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corine.
And we are out having some fun. Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corine.
And we are out braving the traffic. Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corine.
And we're out here to wish you a very happy new year.
And what are we doing today, Shawn?
So this week's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do a little retrospective of the last year. We're going to look at some of the places that we really enjoyed and some of the photographs that we really enjoyed taking. And we hope you enjoy the video. But before we get into the retrospective, we want to tell you a little bit about what's going to happen in 2023. It's going to be a very exciting year for Corine and I, and we're taking you along for the ride. So, where are we off to in January?
In January, we're going to head to Grand Teton National Park. It'll be cold.
It'll be cold. And in fact, we're going to leave Red Rover at home in Utah and stay in a hotel when we do this trip. There's going to be lots of photography on this trip, and we are looking to go shoot some of the iconic locations. And then once we're finished in the Tetons, we're going to come back and unwind a little bit, and then where are we going? Really exciting.
In March, we're going to head to Patagonia. We're going to visit both Chile and Argentina, visit some of the iconic locations. We should do some hiking and camping, and it just is going to be a big surprise.
Yep, it's actually our first trip to South America, and we are really looking forward to this absolutely beautiful location and having the opportunity to photograph it. So that's going to be a lot of fun, and you're coming along. And then we're coming home, and it's Red Rover's turn. So we're packing Red Rover up, and we're heading to Alaska. That trip's going to take us up through the Plain States, Montana, and Wyoming, and up through Alberta, and eventually up into Alaska. And then we have a special surprise, which we're not going to tell you about just yet, for our trip home. So after we get home in September, where are we headed?
In September, actually early October, I think we'll be going to Scotland, mostly in the Highlands and the Isle of Skye, and a little bit of Northern England.
Yep, so we're planning to get to the Lake District in Northern England, as well as doing the Isle of Skye. We also plan to get out to the Isle of Harris and Lewis, and we're also maybe going to have some special guests joining us out in Scotland, but we'll have more about that later.
So we hope you will stay tuned and join us for all these trips. If you have suggestions of spots we should specifically visit in these general locations, hope you'll put it in the comment section down below, and we will review them and potentially add them to our itinerary.
And remember, if you've been watching our videos but you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. It really does help us out build the channel. It's something we've been working on for several years now, and we continue to try to bring you some interesting and different content, especially in 2023. 2022 was characterized by three themes. One was travel. We put a lot of miles on Red Rover this year, scouring the West Coast and Southwest and even up into Canada for good shots. The second theme was wind. We had a lot of wind this year. And finally, the third theme was sky blue skies. We really had a lot of trouble this year finding locations that had nice clouds while we were there.
Well, this is wrapping up our week with Craig and Shelley Neeson of Craig Neeson Photography YouTube channel. We really enjoyed going along with them to view some new spots.
Yeah, go over to their channel and give them a little love, a couple of thumbs ups, and maybe subscribe.
And we appreciate everyone who has subscribed to our channel, and we hope that you'll also share this with other folks. We really appreciate that. And if you have any comments on any of our videos, please put them in the comment section down below.
And don't forget to hit that bell button, ding, to keep track of when we release videos. And as always, we just had a great time with Craig and Shelley, and we're looking forward to the next trip already.
Yep.
Absolutely.
One of the areas that we spent a lot more time on this year was actually doing drone videography and photography. Of course, this is getting to be harder and harder to do as more and more places become restricted and it becomes more and more difficult to fly. But when we got the chance, we did, and we, I think, improved and got some very nice shots along the way. One of my new favorite activities when we're out shooting is creating large panoramas with the drone. I really enjoy this and was rewarded with a few that I really liked this year. Unlike many photographers, Corine and I are driven by the desire to see and photograph new locations. We really enjoy taking the risk that we might not actually be able to get a photograph or not maybe get the absolute best photograph by trying to go to someplace new and different, and this really excites us. It also means that we take a lot of risk that we'll get a shot or a video from that location, and that does happen. Approximately 5 to 6 of our locations we picked this year, there is literally no video or very little in the way of video or photography. But that's the risk we take, and we enjoy that a lot. Now, it doesn't mean we don't enjoy going back to some of our favorite locations. Of course, that's always added into the itinerary for the year. Hi, folks.
Well, it's about a half hour after sunset and it's getting dark fast. We've come back to one of the slot canyons here and we're gonna see what we can do in terms of lining up the Milky Way with the entrance of the slot canyon. So good luck to us.
Yeah, you'll probably see the results about the same time we do. So it's going to be a good deal of work here tonight, and hopefully it's successful. It'd be a distance resemblance, but there you go.
You know, he was actually bald. You know that? Yeah.
Pretty much near the end of his life, yeah.
Wore a wig all through all that. Crazy. Yeah. Where are you guys from?
So it's a few minutes after sunrise. Greg's over there shooting some shots on that little boulder over there. And Shelly's over there Craig's shooting the shots on the boulder.
One of our more exciting trips this year was to go to work with Adam Gibbs in some of his favorite locations. I think one of the things that we've really enjoyed the most this year is moving to our new home in southern Utah. This has given us a whole new opportunity to shoot a lot of great scenes very close to home, and we're really enjoying it.
Well, we hope you enjoyed that summary of our 2022 locations and highlighted photos.
And if you did, please give us a thumbs up. It always helps our channel grow and get more notice from YouTube.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we'd love to hear your comments. Just put it in the comment section down below and we'll be sure to respond as soon as we can.
Yep, especially with all the different places we're going this year, we'd love to hear your suggestions and thoughts. And until next time, bye for now.
Bye for now.